Hey everyone, and welcome. The AI landscape is buzzing with innovation, and today we're talking about an AI assistant that's designed to be different. Get ready to meet Grok 3, the latest evolution from XAI, designed with a unique personality and a focus on real-time, real-world understanding. Whether you're looking for a quick answer, a fresh perspective, or just a smarter conversation, Grok 3 promises to be your most insightful and engaging AI partner. Let's dive in and explore what makes Grok 3 truly stand out. 1. What is Grok 3? The real-time conversationalist. First, let's understand what Grok 3 is. Imagine an AI assistant that's not just retrieving information, but is built for real-time understanding and nuanced conversation. Picture it processing live information from the world, engaging with a distinct, often witty personality, and providing insights that cut through the noise. Grok 3 is designed to be more than just a search engine. It's a dynamic conversationalist ready to explore ideas with you. 2. Key strengths: real-time, humorous, and rebellious. So, what are the core features that set Grok 3 apart? Real-time world knowledge. Imagine Grok 3 accessing and processing information as it happens. Picture it pulling in the latest news, social media trends, and live data to give you the most current context for your questions. This means its knowledge isn't static, it's always evolving with the world. Unique personality. Forget bland, generic responses. Imagine Grok 3 interacting with a distinctive, often humorous, and sometimes rebellious personality. Picture it using wit and a touch of irreverence to make interactions more engaging and less robotic. This makes every conversation feel more dynamic and enjoyable. Designed to grok deeply. The name Grok comes from science fiction, meaning to understand something thoroughly and intuitively. Imagine Grok 3 not just giving you surface-level answers, but truly diving deep into topics, connecting disparate ideas, and offering profound insights, helping you understand complex subjects more fully. 3. How Grok 3 can help you. Practical applications. Now, let's look at how Grok 3 can enhance your daily life and work here in June 2025. For staying informed, imagine asking Grok 3 about the latest global events, market shifts, or trending topics, and getting a concise, up-to-the-minute summary with added context. For creative brainstorming, picture using Grok 3 as a powerful brainstorming partner, bouncing ideas off its unique perspective and getting innovative suggestions for projects, stories, or problem-solving. Its rebellious streak can often lead to out-of-the-box thinking. For learning and exploration, imagine diving deep into complex subjects with Grok 3, asking follow-up questions and exploring different angles, benefiting from its ability to grok information thoroughly. For quick answers and context, picture getting immediate, relevant answers to almost any question, often with a touch of humor or an unexpected insight that makes learning more fun. For professional insights, imagine using Grok 3 to quickly analyze current industry trends, understand recent competitor moves, or get a unique take on a business challenge, leveraging its real-time data access. 4. The XAI vision. Truth-seeking AI. Grok 3 is a product of XAI, Elon Musk's AI company, founded with a mission to understand the true nature of the universe. Imagine this underlying philosophy influencing Grok 3's design, aiming for an AI that is honest, inquisitive, and seeks to provide accurate, uncensored information, even if it challenges conventional wisdom. This truth-seeking approach is a defining characteristic of Grok. 5. The future with Grok 3, a smarter, more engaging digital companion. Grok 3 represents a significant step towards a new kind of AI assistant, one that feels more like a real partner in conversation and exploration. Imagine a future where your AI isn't just a tool, but a dynamic entity that helps you stay informed, think creatively, and understand the world around you with a deeper, more engaging perspective. Grok 3 is designed to be that companion. Conclusion. Grok 3 offers a compelling blend of real-time intelligence, unique personality, and a deep understanding of information, making it a distinct and powerful addition to the AI landscape. It's built for those who value current insights, engaging conversation, and an AI that isn't afraid to be a little different. Get ready to experience a new level of AI assistance. Outro. What do you think about Grok 3's unique approach to AI? Are you excited to try an AI with a distinct personality? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into the cutting edge of artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching.